What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. My name's Obi, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel, and we're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So today we're going to be talking about NIO Stock. NIO Stock is currently trading at $19.35. It's currently 6:24 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is up 2.46% today. So great day for NIO. Also, I thought that I'd add that I did buy more shares last Friday in the $17 range. So on this channel, we like to think ahead. We were talking about the EC6 way before it arrived. We know that the September delivery numbers are likely to be record delivery numbers, but now what's next? Well, today I want to talk about NIO Day, as it hasn't really been on any of these news outlets' radar lately. Last year on NIO Day, the EC6 was announced and the stock price shot up. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen this year, that the stock price is going to have those crazy gains like it did last year, but I do think NIO Day is going to be a catalyst, and at the very least, if the fundamentals improve, I'm all for it. NIO Day is an annual celebration that the company has. NIO highlights it as a celebration for users and friends. In 2018, NIO launched the ES6, which has been a game changer for NIO ever since. It makes up the bulk of their deliveries. In 2019, NIO announced the EC6, which is expected to be a game changer and is expected to widely contribute to these September delivery numbers, which we expect to be record-breaking delivery numbers, and there are many analysts out there expecting them to be record delivery numbers as well. But regardless, we'll see how the September delivery numbers go. My prediction is definitely going to be over 4,000 deliveries. So like I mentioned in my last video, NIO and Tesla haven't gone head-to-head in China. I want to make a few things clear right now, right here. Yes, Tesla and NIO are completely different companies. Yes, the market is big enough for multiple players so they can both have a lot of success here, but nonetheless, they are competitors, and over the long term, that's going to become more prevalent. In the near term, it's about electric vehicles gaining market share from internal combustion engines and legacy automakers. So in the near term, I like to think of them as allies, kind of like how William Lee said. But what do I mean when I say they haven't really gone head-to-head in China? Well, Tesla's only been delivering their Chinese Model 3. That's the only vehicle they've been producing thus far. NIO has only been producing SUVs, such as the ES8, the ES6, the EC6. So NIO only has SUVs so far. So it's really just been like Tesla, you're selling your sedan, NIO, you're selling your SUVs. Well, the Chinese Model Y is expected to release soon. It could be as soon as November. It could begin mass production in November. The Model Y is in direct competition with the EC6. So that will give Tesla some exposure to the subcompact SUV market in China. So what does NIO have planned for NIO Day? Well, NIO's president Lee Hung-Quinn has expressed that NIO has been working diligently to release their next generation of flagship cars on NIO Day. No one knows what that car will be, but what we do know is that this car will continue to carry the styling of the ES8, the ES6, and the EC6. In 2019 at the Shanghai Auto Show, NIO revealed a concept car known as the ET7, which is a fully electric sedan. It's no secret that last year was a pretty challenging year for NIO. In the first quarter of 2019, NIO lost $390 million. So the series of unfortunate events in terms of finances that took place last year caused NIO to delay the release of the ET7. There was never an official release date, but last year William Lee said that the release of this car is indefinitely delayed. With NIO being stronger financially this year and lacking when it comes into a car that fits into that piece of the market, sedans, it has me wondering if now is the time for the ET7, or if now is the time for a fully electric sedan that they might be able to release. So like I said, it's going to have the same styling, whatever they decide to release. We don't know if it's a sedan, but this vehicle is going to have the same styling as the ES8, the ES6, and the EC6. So if we look at the concept car of the ET7, that does have NIO's iconic X-bar design in the front. So that would be super interesting to me if they did release a fully electric sedan. NIO does a lot of R&D, so they don't necessarily have to release a sedan, but that would be pretty cool. One big trend in auto right now is that people want to buy smaller SUVs. That's why people gravitate towards the ES6 rather than the ES8, because the ES8 is a little bigger. As they said in the Q2 earnings call, they sell at a 1-to-3 ratio. So maybe it's not the time for that. NIO knows better than I do. They spend a ton of money on R&D, but that would be super interesting, and I think the market would react well to something like that. Stay tuned for NIO Day December 2020. I believe it's going to be very exciting. We'll definitely be talking about this more on the channel, but that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below, and I want to know what you guys are thinking about NIO Stock and NIO Day 2020. As always, thanks for watching.